Good morning, guys. Let's get right into it. We are in a mixed market. If you don't know, my name is Tyrese Collins, and we are live trading right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm going to turn my hat the other way, see what that looks like. I think I like that a lot better. All right, so what am I looking at? I'm currently looking at the NASDAQ 180-day chart. We are testing previous highs. We had a drop here. We are testing previous highs. Will it continue to push past 15 or will it continue to drop down? One of my followers, um, what's up, Josh? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it, man. Let me say hi to you. What's up, man? So if you watched my last video, I traded SQs for a profit, and SQs is looking like another play, but like I said, I think the market is still very bullish. So we're hovering in between this channel here. So just be careful and be aware that you could see another drop testing the 200 SMA here for the NASDAQ stock exchange. It's a little mixed. People don't know with the Delta variant, with the feds coming out with other ideas, seeing what they're doing. And then we also have earnings with all other companies. So there's a lot going on right now. That's why the markets, and obviously we're kind of overbought. I mean, like you said, like I showed you in our last video, look at this. We've been soaring through the roof. It's due for a correction. We got that correction. It popped back up again. Will we get another correction and continue to fall, or will we just get a small little drop here and continue to push? That I don't know. Right now I'm still holding my same positions. I bought a little bit of TQs, made some money on that. I haven't locked in profits yet, so I need to check on that. And then obviously the AMC trade, it's struggling to get past that $40 mark, and my average is 55. So holding strong, honestly holding strong. So let's see how we're doing on the day to day. It looks like we got a push from my previous spot. So look at that. We got a push here. So I bought down here, saw the bottom, and took advantage of this push. You know, one of these days, I'll be able to capitalize big gains on this push. Pretty insane push. I'm very thankful for the money that I made. But obviously wouldn't hurt to have more money at disposal. So I'm gonna lock in profits here. I just like what I'm seeing here. So I'm gonna lock it in. Locking in profits. Can't complain. You know. So yeah. So that's what's going on in the day, and the stock that I bought that follows the NASDAQ is TQs, and you saw this dip here. So I bought the dip yesterday, and overnight popped up, dipped, and popped back up. So we're testing that 200 SMA line. Like I said, it can continue to fall, and that is possible. So the opposite is SQs, and we're going to keep an eye on this. I can buy more shares of SQs, which is great for me. So I'm actually going to buy in now. See if I can get the fill. Like I said, I think the market is still very, very bullish. So this is me buying a little early, but I do think it's there's a possible, and unfortunately guys, it just won't, for some reason it won't fill me, which I mean, kind of good. You're getting a lot of buy orders coming in. We're going to keep an eye on that, on SQs. Like I said, the market is still very bullish, very mixed, so you never know what can happen. I do think SQs could be a potentially good buy. So I'm going to see if I can find a way to get filled here. And we got filled. We got filled at $8.29. $8.29. Let's see. $8.29, and we're looking for a pop back on SQs on the day, but that means that the market overall would be headed to the red, which is not, the ideal position, but we have to be logical in our ways. We have to understand that the market is cyclical and it has its ups and its downs. My Palantir trade is looking pretty good overall. I think that is a very PLTR. I think that is a very good long-term play. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Right now we're looking at SQs. We took profit on TQs if you weren't watching before, and now we're buying into SQs, trying to make a quick profit on the rebound as it's testing the 200 SMA line, and that is going to be this red line right here. Guys, how is your morning going so far? What are you trading? What are you looking at? Any stock recommendations? Any concerns, questions? Feel free to ask me. Right now, I'm getting a lot of buy orders on SQs of what it looks like. I am looking at, you can see here, perfect. So these are called level 2s. You're seeing some ask 4,220 shares. And that's actually, that goes by the hundreds. So that's like I think it could be either 4 million or 400,000. And that's just insane. And like I said, one of these days, we're going to get to the point where we're buying tons and tons of shares, and we're going to do it together, guys. Because once we get to that point, you're living off of day trading. Now, if you get the concepts down, right, the concept is this had a push up in the day. We know the market is overbought. It dropped back down. We're testing these levels. It looks pretty good for a reversal potential, which is 1% on the day. 1% of 5,000 is $500. Imagine if you made $500 a day, guys, right? Wouldn't need a job. So that's what, that's our goal. That's our goal in life, guys. That is our goal in life. We're trying to make some money. We're trying to live that financially free life. That's what we're striving for. So thank you for following me along with that journey. And we're working hard. I bought SQs around 829. It's having a little push right here. That means the market is pulling back a little bit. We have to be careful because the market is very cyclical, very unpredictable right now. So we need to be careful, take advantage of our pushes. SQs doesn't really move too fast, which is really nice. However, we need to be able to take advantage of the gains that we have. Remember, this is day trading, not swing trading. Take advantage. So for SQs, it's going to be a little bit slower. So we're testing this. We're seeing if we can get the rebound. So I'm going to call it out now. Seeing if we can get the rebound. If not, then you pretty much don't lose any. Let's see. And my laptop's about to die. What's going on? What's going on? Who's tuning in? Who is tuning in, guys? I know I had my buddy Josh tune in earlier. I know he's got to go to work. So I appreciate the support, brother. Who's tuning in? Who's tuning in? Say hi. Don't be shy. Say hi. Let's see. Let's see. And SQs is still getting rejected. Let's check on AMC. What is AMC doing on the day? Hit or lows. And like I said, AMC is getting rejected at $40. And it's sad to see, but I'm being patient. Yeah, as patient I can be. I don't want to take a loss in this trade. But yeah, I mean, it's not my favorite trade, as you guys know. It is not my favorite trade. AMC. Another stock that I'm looking for is AVPT. AvePoint. Let's see. AvePoint is a data management company and like cybersecurity company. Their big contract is Microsoft. So we're open for some big pushes. I mean, look at this. This thing hit $11.31 and then dropped $1 within a day and a half. So the way it moves is not for every trader. It doesn't move as entertaining as most, but it eventually will pay out, and that's what I'm waiting on. So back to TQs. So TQs follows the NASDAQ. If the NASDAQ goes up, TQs goes up. And as you can see here, NASDAQ fell down, TQs popped back up. Now we're trading above that SMA line. And we could continue to push. That means our SQs trade will continue to drop because it does the opposite. If this goes up, SQs goes down, guys. So we're just watching here. Again, I took profit on TQs around 33.40, roughly around there. So we'll see if TQs drops on the day or if the market continues to be bullish. 709. 709. I may have to go soon, guys. Man, that's rough. I want to see this thing play out. Look at this, guys. Look at this. The market is testing previous highs on the day. Whew. What a move. What a freaking move. So that means, guys, my SQs trade is definitely not looking good. Look at this. It didn't play out. It continued to fall. Is there still a possibility? Yep, there's still a possibility. You know, but we have to kind of follow what the market is doing and be careful with the money management. So continue to watch this line here. Continue to watch this resistance, and if it continues to push past, we might have to take a loss. I haven't took a loss in a while. I wish I took a loss with my AMC trade, or else I wouldn't have been stuck in it like I am now. So managing your money is very, very, very needed when you're day trading. If you don't know how to manage your money and you don't know how to cut losses, then you'll be like me and get stuck in AMC. That kind of rhymes. But yeah, we are seeing signs of a resistance here, which is good news for our trade. So we'll see how it plays out. Unfortunately, guys, I have to go. Sadly, so I will have to see you on the next video. If you don't know, I'm a real estate agent. I do have to go to work. I have to pay bills, and one of these days, I get a fat check from real estate, and hopefully I'll be able to day trade full time and then be able to give away some of my money. That's a little secret though, so if you're watching, that's what I've been thinking about, is being able to give back to you guys and people in my community. So, whatever, God's plan, right? God's plan. So yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace.